Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. But before we start, guys, happy new year. Yes, happy new year. This is a new year and I'm so excited to be back again this year to give you guys the best of the best videos. Yes, so today's video is going to be about affordable skincare routine for 2025. So if you know that your goal this year or one of your goals this year or new year resolution is to take your skincare serious and also to step up your skincare game, guys, this video is for you. So if you know you want to have a good skin this year and maybe you're on a budget and you don't want to spend so much, well, this video is for you. So if you're a student or you're still collecting pocket money or you don't earn so much, and or rather you don't just necessarily want to spend exorbitant amount of money on skincare and you're on a budget, well guys, this video is for you because I'll be sharing with you guys products that you need, or affordable skincare products that you can use in your skincare routine in this 2025. But before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, this is over to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comments. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's not waste any time. Now, first of all, we're going to start from the body before we move over to the face. Now, when it comes to body care, you want to go in with a body soap, or rather I would say a sponge. Now, there are two options of sponges. You can actually use the normal regular sponge. I'm going to leave pictures on the screen. You can use the normal regular sponge, or you can go in with exfoliating gloves. Now, exfoliating gloves are really good because they would also help to exfoliate your skin in case maybe you don't have money to buy a scrub. Okay, now after your sponge, you would also want to go in with your body soap or your body wash, depending on what you want and depending on your budget, and also depending on your preference, whether you like a soap or a body wash, depending on what you want to use. So the body soap I'll be recommending is the Dove Beauty Cream Bar Soap. Now this soap is an amazing body soap. It is not drying on the skin and it's perfect for people. It's perfect for all skin types, especially for people who have dry skin and sensitive skin. So if you have dry skin and sensitive skin, it is good for you. Okay, this is a very amazing soap. Or you can actually go in with the body wash. In case you don't like the soap, you can actually use the body wash, which is also an amazing soap. Now another soap again I'll be recommending is the Dettol 2X Moisturizer Skincare. So guys, this is a new Dettol brand of soap and it is an amazing soap. That is the soap I'm currently using. Like, that's the soap I am currently using to shower, and it is amazing because I'm not really a body wash person. I don't really use body washes because I don't know what my skin has done to body wash. My skin doesn't just tend to like body washes, so I have dropped body washes aside and I'm there to stick with my body soap. So if you want to go in with a body soap, or you can actually go in with the Dettol 2X Moisturizer body soap. It is an amazing body soap. So this is the St.Ives body wash I currently have here, and this is the St.Ives exfoliating body wash, pink, lemon, and mandarin orange. This body wash is amazing. Like, it's going to also help to exfoliate your skin and brighten out your skin. So if you want to brighten out your skin, you can actually try out this particular body wash, and it goes for 8,000 naira, and it's actually of a very good size, so it can actually last for like 2 months, depending on how you're using it. It can last you for like 2 months. Okay, now, after your body wash, you can also use a scrub. But a scrub is if you want to use a scrub, it's very important for you to exfoliate your skin, yes, at least 2 times in a week, and most 3 times in a week, because when you exfoliate your skin, you're going to get rid of all the dead skin cells, and all the products that you're going to be using on your body would work effectively for you. So you want to use a scrub. Now if you don't have money to buy a scrub, you can actually use your exfoliating gloves. Maybe some days in which you want to shower and you don't want to use a regular sponge, you can just use your exfoliating gloves alongside with your body wash or body soap and use it to exfoliate your gloves. Like, it's called an exfoliating glove for a reason. But if you have that extra cash to spend, well, it is advisable for you to get a body scrub. Now, a very affordable body scrub that I use is a Carebeau salt body scrub. Now this body scrub is amazing. Or if you can't find this one, you can also try the Carebeau scrub. I'm going to leave a picture. I used to have the container, rather the empty container here in my house, but I can't find it anymore. So you can actually go in with the Carebeau scrub, or yeah, these are the two scrubs that I know of that is actually very nice. This scrub used to be 800 naira as at 2021. Yes, this scrub used to be for 800 naira, but right now, last time I got it for 3,500 naira. And the Carebeau scrub used to even be much more expensive than it, but I think the Carebeau scrub is within the same price as this as well. I think it's around 3,500 as well, so you can get any of this one. So for body lotions, you want to also go in for very affordable body lotions, and I have so many affordable body lotions that I can actually recommend for you guys, from the Nivea range to the Dove to the Vaseline. Guys, these are affordable, and if not just affordable, but they are effective body lotions. Like, you can actually go in for the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow. So if you're looking out to even out your skin tone, brighten out your skin, and you have an oily skin, yes, you can use this. But if you have a dry skin and you want to, and you have of the dark skin tone, then you can use the other range of this, which is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen for you guys. Or if you don't have this soap, this body lotion goes for, I think, between 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira now. Yes, 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira, it's in between the range. You cannot lay your hands on this, or maybe this is quite more expensive for you to get, then you can try the Vaseline. Vaseline has amazing range of products. In fact, this is what I'm even using right now, and I got this body lotion for 4,500 naira, and I've been using it for, like, I think for more than 2 months, or rather almost 2 months. Yes, almost 2 months, and it's amazing. This is the Vaseline Healthy Even Tone body lotion, and it is super amazing. This is the body lotion I currently use, and if you have dark spots, you want to brighten your skin, go for this. It is amazing. Like, it's an amazing body lotion, and it is just for just goes for 4,500. And Vaseline has also different types of body lotions. They have the one for dark skin, they have the one with the cocoa butter, they have different amazing body lotions depending on what you're looking to achieve on your skin. You can get one. Okay, that is practically all for body. Now let's go over to the face. You see, the face is where you even spend more money. Okay, and yes, now let's start with cleansers. Now, if you're on a budget, okay, you see the Dettol and the Dove, you can actually use it equally as your face cleanser. Yes, I use my Dettol soap as my face cleanser, that I use to cleanse my face, and I'm good. You don't necessarily have to buy other types of face cleanser, only if you have that extra money to spend. Well, if you have that extra money to spend, I would recommend some cleansers for you. Like, you have the simple cleanser, simple refreshing facial wash. It's an amazing facial wash, and it is around, I think it's between 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira if I'm not mistaken. And you also have, now if that is for people who have like oily skin, oily acne prone skin, but if you're more of like the dry skin type, then you can try out the Face Fact Ceramide face wash. Now, it is over that face cleanser. It's also an amazing face wash, and I think it goes for the price of between 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira as well. So that is it for cleansers. Okay, now for toners, you see, toners is the second step, but the thing about toners is that toners are really quite optional. I will advise you to use a toner when it is necessary. Maybe if you have extremely dry skin, or maybe you're trying to get rid of acne, then you can actually use a toner. But if you don't have any of those things, then just keep your toner. But if you have the extra money to spend, well, you can get a toner. Now, for people who have dry skin, I advise that you go in for the going with a rose water and glycerin toner. Now, there is one I'm going to keep on the screen for you guys. I think the name is the Boots Traditional Rose Water and Glycerin Toner. I'm not really sure of the name, but it is also amazing. Then the Simple brand also has a toner. So if you have an oily skin, acne prone skin, and sensitive skin, I just want something really, really mild for your skin, then you can also try the Simple toner. Now if you have an acne prone skin, if you have an acne prone skin, you can go in for this toner. This toner is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser. Now I have used up this toner already on my skin because I have an oily and acne prone skin. Now this toner will help to clear out your blackheads, also help to control acne on your skin. So this toner is amazing. I think it's around 6,000 naira now. So if you want to try out, this is one of the most affordable acne controlling toners. Every other one is so expensive, but if you have any other one that you know of that is not so expensive, you can leave it on the comment section. Okay, now this is one amazing toner that you can try out. Now if maybe you don't have money to get a toner, okay, then it's fine, it's really fine. Now the third step is your serum. A serum is very good. Serum is very important in every skincare routine, okay, especially when you are trying to deal with a particular skin concern. Maybe you're trying to brighten out your skin, or maybe you're suffering from acne, or you're suffering from excess oil production on your skin. Well, toners, or rather serums, are very good. We have hyaluronic acid serum for people who have dry skin, are trying to treat their dry skin. We have vitamin C serums for people who want to brighten out their skin. We have niacinamide serum for people who are trying to control oil on their skin and also brighten out their skin. And we also have the retinol serum that would help to, if you have acne and you're acne prone, then this serum is good for you. These are some of the serums that you can actually get. Now the Face Facts brand, they actually have a vitamin C serum. I have that over here. Yes, this is the vitamin C serum for the Face Fact brand. I have it here, and this is the one I'm currently using, the Face Fact vitamin C serum. It is very amazing and it is very good. It will help to brighten out your skin, brighten out those dark spots on your skin as well. Now this serum goes for 5,000 naira. Yes, it goes for 5,000 naira. Now this Face Fact brand also has niacinamide serum, and they also have, I think they have a retinol serum. Now if you cannot lay your hands on Face Facts, maybe you want something, maybe you are on a higher budget, then you can try the Balance Active serums. They have the vitamin C, they have the niacinamide, and they also have their I think they have hyaluronic acid as well. I will leave pictures on the screen for you guys to actually see examples of the serum I'm talking about. Yeah, now but for the Face Fact is 5,000 naira. Treatment of your acne, I'll advise that you use any product that you want to use to treat your acne, use it at night, or any treatment product, use it at night. If you want to get a retinol serum, use your retinol serum at night. Okay, you can go away with using vitamin C serum and niacinamide serum in the daytime, but you see retinol, please and please use it at night. Don't go and use it in the daytime, so it's not damage your skin, okay, because those are very strong actives that if you're not careful how you use them, they can damage your skin that you're trying to get rid of. Maybe one skin concern, another one is coming up and you will not want it. Okay, now the next step is your moisturizer. Yes, a moisturizer is very important in a skincare routine. See, if you can skip your serum and your toner, you see, cleansing, moisturizing, moisturizer and sunscreen, they cannot be skipped. They should not be skipped. A moisturizer will help to hydrate your skin, strengthen your skin's barrier, give you a soothing skin, and you will really love a lot. Now, a moisturizer I'm going to be recommending is the Simple Kinds of Skin Moisturizer. Now, if you have the oily skin type and you're looking out for a moisturizer that is going to help to prevent the oil from being too much on your skin and just going to help to mildly moisturize your skin, then you can go in for this moisturizer. If you have a sensitive skin, you can also go in for this moisturizer. Another moisturizer is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant moisturizer. It's another amazing moisturizer that you guys can actually use on your skin. Okay, you have the Fix Fat ceramide moisturizer. So if you have the dry skin and you're looking out for moisturizers that will help to combat that dryness on your skin, and you also have a sensitive skin, then you can actually try the Face Fat ceramide moisturizer. Next step in your skincare routine that you should not miss out on, like no matter what, you shouldn't miss out on it, is your sunscreen. You see, anywhere your skin is exposed to the sun, please use a sunscreen, and make sure you're using a sunscreen that is not anything less than SPF 30. You can go higher, you can use up to SPF 90, but let it not go lower. Don't say my body lotion has a sunscreen, or my face moisturizer has a sunscreen. No, you still need a sunscreen, because even the face moisturizer and body lotion that you're claiming has a sunscreen, the SPF might not even be up to 30 SPF. It might just be maybe 15, 20 max, but not 30. So please and please get a moisturizer. I know, sorry, get a sunscreen. I know that sunscreens might be of the high side, but it's better for you to get something that would help your skin a lot and help to take your skin from where it is to where you want it to be. Spend that money just once and for all, than you spending money on different skincare products. If you pack all the money that you're using to buy all those different skincare products and you just had bought one skincare product that have actually prevented those overlap, those extreme care issues, it would have been better. Because if your sunscreen is around 10,000 naira, or let's say 6,000 naira, and you're going for cheaper products, or you just keep the sunscreen and you're suffering from sunburn, hyperpigmentation, your skincare products are not working for you, and you start repurchasing skincare products every two market days, if you calculate all those money you're spending, it's going to be more than 10,000 naira. So better for you to even close your eye and buy that sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen I'm going to be recommending in this video is the Bao UV sunscreen. Now this sunscreen is good, so if you're on a budget, you can actually try the Bao UV sunscreen. Now the sunscreen is, I think it's around 5,000 to 6,000, depending on the size. It is quite small, yes, but if you use it well, I know you should not be minimizing how you use your sunscreen. You need to use your sunscreen judiciously, but just try. Okay, you can use it on your face, then also on use it on your face, then also on any other part of your body that is exposed to the sun, like maybe your hands, your neck area, your chest area. Use it there. Anywhere that you know that clothes is not covering, please use this in that area. Another sunscreen I'll be recommending is the Nivea sunblock. Now this is another sunscreen that is quite good, and I have that one I have it in my house. I have it here. I don't have it over here, but I use it. So Nivea is very affordable, and Nivea is quite big, and Nivea goes for, I think, 7,000. I got it for 7,000 naira, 7,500 the last time I got, and I got it recently. I got it just last month, which was December, and I think I got it for 7,000 or 7,500 naira. I cannot remember, but it was not more than 7,000 naira, trust me. And it was not more than 7,500 naira, trust me. So you can actually get it, and it will last you for a long time, for more than a month, trust me. If you're the only one using it, well, it's going to last you for more than a month, trust me. So and that is the price, and it's quite big. Depending, in fact, it can even last you up to 3 or to 2 months. Yeah, it can last you up to 2 months. So this is it. This is it. You need to cleanse your skin, you need to cleanse your face rather. Your toner is optional, then your serum, then your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. Okay, your sunscreen. Then for your body soap or your body wash, and then your body lotion, then your body scrub, as your body scrub is very important. Or just use your exfoliating gloves when you're showering to lather up your body. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed talking to you guys, and I really love speaking to you guys about skincare a whole lot. Happy New Year once again, and I hope to make more videos, and I hope you guys watch more videos that I make. Yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Don't forget to also leave your comments, share your ideas, like if you have products, affordable skincare products that we can also use, and let us know. We're here to learn from each other. Okay, just leave it on the comment section, and I'll really appreciate it a whole lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye.